In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add divider components in Glide. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place clean separators in your app to organize content and make screens easier to scan. Start by heading to Glide. Open it in your browser and sign in to your account. Once you're in, choose the project you want to edit. This ensures any changes you make apply to the right app. If you have multiple projects, take a moment to confirm you're opening the correct one so you don't update the wrong layout. With your project open, look to the left sidebar. Click the plus Add Component button. This is where you'll find all the building blocks for your screen. Components are grouped by type, which makes it easy to locate what you need without hunting around. Under the Layout section, select Separator. In Glide, the separator component is your divider. It creates a visual break between groups of content, perfect for distinguishing sections like headers, lists, and forms. Adding separators strategically helps guide your user's eyes and improves the overall readability of your screen. After adding the separator, turn your attention to the right sidebar. This is the settings panel where you can edit the size. Adjusting the size controls how prominent the divider appears and how much space it provides around content. A smaller size gives you a subtle, compact line, while a larger size adds more breathing room between sections. If your screen feels crowded, try a larger size to create clear separation. If it feels too spaced out, reduce the size for a tighter layout. As you tweak, watch the live preview so you can see the effect instantly and fine-tune the look to match your design. When you're satisfied with how your separator looks and how it structures the page, go to the top right corner and click Publish. Publishing applies your changes so your users can see them. It's a good habit to review the preview one last time before publishing, especially if your app is already live. That's all it takes to add divider components in Glide. Open your project, add the separator from the Layout section, edit the size in the right sidebar, and publish your changes. Simple, clean, and a great way to improve usability. Thanks for watching this step-by-step Glide tutorial. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and walkthroughs. See you in the next video. Simplified.